Hello, my name is Diana, and in this video I'm going to document some of the steps that I will do in the process of creating the content for this course. Together with my other two colleagues and friends from the group Challenger, we decided to make a course on holidays and festivals in the USA. So we decided to decide on 3 dates. 3 important holidays: Independence Day, Columbus Day, and Thanksgiving. My two friends were more diligent and they have finished already their section of the course. I'm the one who is still struggling with some elements, so I hope I will be able to finish it successfully. As you can see here, it's Independence Day. My part, it's clickable because it's blue. Then I put some put a picture. A little bit too large for my taste, but I sort of didn't manage to make it smaller, and after several attempts I gave up and leave it this way. I find it beautiful and definitely it will attract attention to anyone who comes to this page. But to explain how other changes can be made. So to remind the viewers, we have these 3 dots, and when we click on them, we get this button, Turn Editing On. So I have to click on that. So if I scroll down, I will see this plus sign with clickable blue text, Add an activity or resource. Just to walk you through what I have done so far, trying to make this content similar in each section of the course, we decide on this layout, so to say. So the title is deliberately put to the right to make it a little bit unusual. It's also, for that reason, in red letters, bolded and a little bit larger. Actually, the largest font size here. Then there is some basic information on the holiday. If you see this sign here, if I want to move this text, I can, or any element of this course or this page, I can do that by using this sign. I have to click on it and then to move it. At this point, I don't want to change the position. So the next thing that I already placed here is the map of 13 colonies, just to give people who want to learn about America and about Independence Day some idea of geographical side of the thing. So if we click on it, we get this map. So it's not only that it shows these original 13 colonies that started the United States of America, but also it demonstrates their size in correspondence to the current situation. So I'm going back through this and I'm here at these activities and resources. So what I want to do now is I want to add some more information about historical circumstances. I find this page a little bit confusing when I see all these icons, so I prefer to select just resources. And since I have had some trouble with pasting URL, I go for the page, which allows me to place pictures and to insert different things. So at this point, I assume I will have again problem because I cannot activate the icons in these sections if I need them. So it happened to me a couple of times. So I'm going to cancel this and see what's going on. So let's hope for the best. I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to add this. I'm going for the page. Let me find it's here. And for some reason, okay. So let's see, maybe when I type here, historical circumstances. So let's see what's going to happen. No. I cannot do what I wanted to do if I wanted to. So I must again cancel this and start the process all over again.